Welcome back to StereoInstalls.com. This is our Polaris Slingshot stereo installation here in Mentor, Ohio. Starting with an all Rockford upgrade kit. Got the fender pods here with the marine. Those are the premium Rockford coaxials. Inside here, both sides in the factory location, we have custom mounted plates made for another set of the Rockford 6.5s. And the headrests. Pods here with another set. So you have 8 Rockford 6.5-inch coaxials, and then we have a set of punch tweeters in the factory location right here.
Wow, them are really cool.
Yep.
I didn't even see them.
There was a factory tweeter there that sounded horrible, so we replaced those with the punches. And then hidden in the fairing here.
Did we make them pods?
Oh, those are from the factory.
Okay.
Hidden in the fairing is a Punch Marine Series 5-channel amplifier. 4 of the channels powering all the coaxial speakers and the tweeters. And then the 5th channel is powering the subwoofer. This is an underground auto sport slide-in 10-inch ported enclosure with a T1 Rockford full-size subwoofer. Sounds amazing. Gets really, really low. It's one of the problems people have with slingshots is they're almost like motorcycles. It's hard to get car bass out of it, and this is the closest thing you can get to car bass from one subwoofer. Some of the other ones we've done in the past had like kickers up and stuff, but this is a full-size Rockford 10, the T-Series, 600 watts too. It sounds amazing. Now on to the part that I really like the most is lighting, because I'm obsessed with lighting. Everybody knows that. We have 2 different lighting setups in this vehicle. One of them is a chasing LED kit, and it starts in the wheels, continues underneath the vehicle, and then in the footwells of the vehicle. So all of those lights are chasing in different patterns. What that means is they're addressable LEDs. So you can change the different diodes that switch different colors different ways. It's a newer technology that came out 4 or 5 years ago that everybody likes a lot. The Rockford Marine speakers don't have that technology built in. They're just regular RGB. So there's 2 separate RGB controllers in this vehicle. One for the chasing LEDs and then one for the Rockford speakers, and they're controlled separately. We also have this switch here to turn them on and off. So you can be hanging out in the parking lot and switch them on and not have to worry about draining the battery when the car's not running. And that does turn on and off all of them, both sets of them. So for a recap, full stereo upgrade, 8 6-inch coaxials, a subwoofer, a 5-channel amplifier, and a full lighting kit, including the wheel lights and underlights, all chasing, and then RGB lights in the Marine speakers also. So we've touched really every position on this Slingshot. I'm sure he's going to come in for some more upgrades down the road, but this is a really good, healthy starting point to turn your Slingshot into, it's cool from the factory, but to take it to the next level, we always do lights and the speakers. If you have a Slingshot or any kind of fun vehicle like this and you want to do any upgrades to it, come see us, StereoInstalls.com. You can visit us at 7471 Tyler Blvd, Unit B in Mentor, Ohio, or get at me, 440-525-2001, extension number 7. Email me at sales@stereoinstalls.com, and we're on all social media at Stereo Installs.